So Vasyl, thank you very much for joining me. To start with, I thought we'd ask with a simple question. Who are you and what inspired you to join us at Unite Dubai?
First of all, thanks for inviting me to the interview. I'm the guy from Ukraine. I'm passionate about how the technologies are changing their everyday lives. I run several businesses. I travel quite a lot. I discover new cultures and I'm passionate about the personal development. But actually, the most exciting part is meeting new people, keeping your mind open for new ideas, and actually contributing to the global impact with the help of networking. That's why I'm visiting Unite Dubai today. I'm going to present the solution that we developed together with my team from Ukraine, Northell, the software development company. That's the mental health application, an app to unlock the positive mindset and healthy body with mutual contribution of people around the world.
So that's Theraheal.
Yes.
So maybe you could tell us a little bit about the story behind Theraheal and the problem that it aims to solve.
Sure. That's actually a very interesting story because during COVID-19, people in my company were suffering from anxiety, isolation, and depression, and they pushed me to create a solution that could enhance the well-being and productivity at work. It turns out that mental disorders, especially depression and anxiety, are affecting the lost productivity, and they cost $1 trillion per year to
Wow.
global economy. And this cost is projected to rise up to $6 trillion by 2030. In general, mental illness is the problem, and there are more than 800 million people worldwide suffering from different disorders.
So I'm glad to hear that you're focusing on mental health and well-being, increasingly a more important topic, especially highlighted throughout the pandemic. That being said, there are entrepreneurs all over the world who come up with great ideas. But how do you get from an idea to a product?
Yeah. So actually, after we realized this problem, we started our research. We connected with our partners, with multicultural companies. We conducted the research along the local communities, the trainers, the therapists, to identify and estimate the drivers that could impact the well-being and productivity. And there was one key finding for us. The trainers from different countries, the therapists from different countries, they were ready to contribute on the global level. That's where the idea of the share economy marketplace took place. We decided to create the global mental health clinic to connect those who can heal, teach, inspire with those looking for professional guidance and support easily, anywhere and every time. So here is how it works. As the single user, I create the profile, I assess my problem via a quick test, and I get the personalized plan with activities that suits my needs. I've got the journaling, I've got mood analyzer, I've got the workout meditation program that is personalized for me, for my needs. Also, I got the tips on my diet to enhance the healthy body. I've got the group sessions to connect with other people, and basically I'm tracking my progress.
Is this individualized aspect what makes you unique among a marketplace filled with health and well-being apps?
Actually, we call ourselves the Udemy of mental health. We've got a very good case study from e-learning that I am glad to share with you. Udemy got more than 150K courses, and they got the revenue that is twice more than its closest competitor on the market. And their secret strategy is in the user-generated content. That's something that we are going to use as well. Let me get back to Theraheal. If you're a good trainer, then everything you need to do is love what you're good at, be willing to share your experience with the people who really need that, and start enjoying your reliable income. If you are the user, then you are getting the comprehensive individualized plan for your needs. If you are the company like ourselves, then you can create the resilient workspace and you can enhance the well-being and productivity at your work.
Okay, so final question from me then. What's next? What's on the horizon for Theraheal? Where are we going to see you next?
In general, I am on the mission to create the solution that will drive the positive change on the global level, but at the same time, I follow consistency. So first, we are launching as B2C application for the users. We already got a bunch of positive feedback during the alpha testing stage, and we expect to grow our database up to 20,000 by the end of this year. Next, we've got Theraheal for business. That's the solution for companies to enhance the well-being and productivity. The most interesting part is that we are now in Dubai, and the UAE is almost the first nation in the world to introduce the shorter working week. They are trying to address the problem with the mental health, is productivity, and to drive the overall business success, and that's great. In parallel, we are getting hundreds of trainers and therapists joining our platform, and we will enhance the therapy sessions with certified specialists. Finally, our solution will become the global mental health clinic with prescription and medicine delivery. Uh, Theraheal is the place where you can get the personalized sessions with the best authors, trainers, therapists, as well as replicate your offline treatment into the exciting digital journey.
Right. Well, on that note, Vasyl, I'll thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you at the conference later this evening. Thank you very much.
Thanks. My pleasure.